Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. This Suburban is featured in the RST trim and is in a white paint. On the outside of the vehicle we have our alloy rims as well as auto open rear trunk. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 8 as well as a heated front seats, premium leather in all of our seats, Apple Carplay, Android Auto, a trailering package, as well as rear backup camera and sensors. Now onto the interior of the Suburban. Moving left from our steering wheel, we have our chrome door handle. Just in front of that, we have our door locks. Below it, we have all of our power window controls, as well as our power mirror controls. Right there is our memory set for our seats. Storage below. On the left-hand side of our steering wheel, we have our park brake, as well as our sensors and our plugs. Then below that, we have our drive select, as well as all of our lighting controls. Above in our central dash, we have our digital speedometer in the center, as well as our odometer. On the left-hand side of our steering wheel, we have our cruise control, as well as our forward collision warning. On the right side of the steering wheel, all of our hands-free settings. Just left of our central area, we have our drive selects. In the center, our infotainment system with Apple Carplay, Android Auto. It also has our backup camera on that. Right there is our controls for it. It is also a touchscreen. Below that, we have our climate control, as well as our heated seats. Then below, a USB, a micro USB, as well as a 12-volt plug and some storage. 2 cup holders in the middle. Then our central console that opens up and has plenty of storage, as well as 2 more USBs and an SD slot. Our seats, black leather with a red stitching on them. Up above our rear view mirror, we have all of our OnStar settings. Then in the center there is our cover for our sunroof. That is our sunroof slide button. On the right hand side is our sunroof tilt button. And going a little bit farther back, we have our auto open settings. We have our rear passenger check, and then our garage door memory. Now down the side of our Suburban, we can see our wheels featured in a black rim with aluminum cover and a Chevrolet bow tie center caps. Moving up, we have our paint match rear view mirrors, as well as our paint match door handles. And we have a step up all the way down. We have our black Suburban badging. On the door handles, that is our lock and unlock button. Moving back to the trunk, we have our auto lock on our keys and the RST badging. Once we unlock that, we can see our rear third row seating, which is featured in a 60/40 fold. Now into the rear of the Suburban, we can see we once again have our chrome door handle, our lock controls, and our window controls with storage underneath. Moving on the front, we can see we have our magazine holders in the seats in front of us. In the center, we have 2 micro USB slots, as well as our climate control and a 150-watt plug. Our seats, once again, are premium black leather. In the center, 2 cup holders that fold down. The far seat is currently folded down. We have a 60/40 split in the second row. Then moving back, we have our third row. We have our cup holder and storage on either side. Our seats, once again, are leather and a 60/40 split. Thank you for joining me today for this quick walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Westgate Chevrolet soon.